Ang aking ika-9 years sa DepEd, papunta na sa venue para sa celebration ng Teachers Day Division Level. See you there! Lakad-lakad lang papuntang SMX. So, dito na ako sa may harapan ng SM Supermart. Sarap maglakad. SM Supermarket. Konting lahad na lang para sa entrance. Dahil hindi pa magpapapasok, maaga pa. So, doon kami sa back door. Dadaan. So, dito na ako sa papuntang entrance. Pero dahil hindi naman kami rito padadaanin dahil sarado pa. So, doon tayo sa back door. Sa may parking. Malapit na. So, iba-ibang uniform per school. Kami ay red and white. Okay. Sarap maglakad. Dito na kami sa venue. Ayan. Ang venue. World Teacher Day Celebration Division. Ayan. Wala kayo.
Masyado kayo kasing eh. We're going to acknowledge the presence of City Councilor Honorable recognition for her invaluable services. Her faithful and dedicated service will forever be remembered by this department. The school she served, or he served, and the colleagues, and mostly especially the students whose lives he or she touched. Given this 4th day of October 2024 at SMX Convention Center, SM Central, Olongapo City, Zambales, signed by our officer in charge,
given to Arbitrario Milan. Relasha Maria Cristina to be received by John Rimo A. Relasha.
I think we have 10. We already
Kaya pag kulang po yung 10, hindi mabibigay.
Espanyol.
Walisaw kanina. Bawal. Uy, meron ka na.
Tumupad ka. Magwalis ha. Wala pala ako naman.
Ayan, so, waiting na lang tayo. Venezuela, Estrella.
Venezuela, Australia. Narito po ba? Pag wala daw po